If you're experiencing a verification pending status with America First Credit Union, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have checked your email for any messages from America First Credit Union. They may have sent you instructions or additional information needed to complete the verification process. Step 2. Log into your account. Access your America First Credit Union account through the website or mobile app. Navigate to the verification section to see if there are any prompts or notifications that require your attention. Step 3. Provide required documentation. If the system requests specific documents for verification, gather and upload them as instructed. This may include identification, proof of address, or other relevant information. Step 4. Contact customer support. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After you have submitted any necessary documentation and contacted support, wait for confirmation. This may take a few hours to a couple of days, so be patient and keep an eye on your email for updates. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status efficiently. If you encounter further issues, don't hesitate to seek additional help from customer support.